Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to a new video on Pepe right now. I just wanted to do a quick update on Pepe right here. It's been pretty bearish, but I know a lot of you are still holding / trading Pepe. So I just wanted to give you my thoughts. My thoughts are pretty clear on Pepe right now after getting this bearish breakout below 8,000 and 8,200. So I'll tell you about that. We'll do a full technical update. We'll also talk about some fundamentals, which is a bit necessary for Pepe. Not 100%, but I think it's good. It adds to the view of what's going on right now. So that's what we'll do. Before we dive into Pepe, though, I do want to briefly mention that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades, but you also gain access to, like this, for example, my own trades, but you also gain access to a chat room full of traders and my trading guide. So if you actually want to become a better and profitable trader, perhaps, then you could join that. I think it's the best way to actually get into it. And apart from that, the chat room also offers a lot of value. So if you're interested in that, the links will be down in the description or the pinned comment. But for now, let's get into Pepe. So the thing is that right now, especially with that sell-off by the team, Thursday the 24th, the trust has been lost, all right? The Pepe already was in a downtrend, got a bit of bullish momentum here, of course, but it already was in a downtrend since the 14th of July. And this certainly did not help. There's currently, there's just no real hope around Pepe. There's no real momentum either. I mean, if you take a look at the volume right now, $76 million compared to the last month is just low. It's the weekend, so it will probably drop down towards 30-40 million over the course of the next 24 hours. And usually Pepe was also quite bullish always on Thursday and Fridays, even though that hasn't been the case for the last couple of weeks due to obvious reasons. But now you can also see that 8,000 really was, like I call this 8,000, but you'll figure it out. That really was our last support. And even with a bullish Bitcoin on Tuesday, Pepe just wasn't able to break above the 28 EMA, which is like the weakest resistance level. So that confirms that the market structure is definitely bearish, and a breakdown below 8,000 definitely confirms that. So now the most likely scenario is that Pepe will drop down towards that 7,500, 7,000 level, which it almost touched already. Where it can find some more support, like technically I would say it's more around 7,000. But overall, even though I expect some support from that area, I think the ultimate drop is down towards 6,000. There's actually some support, like between 6,400 and 6,000. There is some support, and I might actually buy some Pepe from there, just for a short-term hold, for trade perhaps. But I do think this is the most likely scenario. Now, there's one thing that could change this a little bit, and that is if Bitcoin turns bullish on Monday, which is a possibility, but the probability is very, very low. There's no real bullish catalysts right now for Bitcoin. And in general, September usually is bearish, just so you know. But that's why I think this is the most likely scenario. If Bitcoin becomes very bullish and gets up towards 27,000 again, then Pepe will just consolidate and perhaps even get a spike up to this level around 10,000. It's a possibility, but that's really the best Pepe can do at this point of time. So those are my thoughts. That's my analysis. If you do have any questions, then of course let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.